Moving on to our trinomials here on the back. Our trinomials, you're going to be setting up just like how we started our difference of two squares factoring. So you're going to be looking at two sets of parentheses. I'll do number 19 here with you. So again, you're going to be thinking x squared, what would multiply to get you that? That would be x and x. Look at your last term, your constant there, and think about your factors of that term. So my only factors of 3 would be 1 and 3. I need to be able to multiply to get negative 3, but then when I check my inside and outside pair, those pairs of terms there need to be able to add to get me 2x. Add or subtract, I should technically say. And a little hint, if you look at that symbol, if that's a subtraction symbol there, that means you need a difference that's going to become that middle term. If this were addition, like here, you're going to need these two terms to add to that middle term. So that's just a little trick to kind of help give you a nudge in the right direction. So I'm going to place 1 and 3, since that's my only pair, into my parentheses. Sometimes we'll have multiple pairs. We'll have to test multiple pairs out here. Now, if I want these pairs, when I've multiplied my inside and outside, to add to 2x, I need to make sure that I have a positive 3x and a negative 1x. And if I check that, that would add up to positive 2x. My middle term matches up. If I check my last pair here, negative 1 times positive 3, it does get me negative 3. So that would work out as making sure I've been able to multiply this back together to the original. So this would be your factored form for that problem then. All right, I'm going to pause here for just a moment and switch to a second video where I'll do a guess and check problem, but that takes you through at least 3 of the first different types.